Welcome back to Prime Tips. Today we are going to discuss about the process of partition of disk in PC. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's go to our computer screen. Let's start. First of all, you can see the drives. I have the local disk C of total 194 GB. Local disk D 368 GB, local disk E 367 GB. Now I will show you by partition this local disk E. So for that, first of all we have to open the control panel. Okay. You can use the shortcut key Windows plus R to open the run command and search for control panel and hit enter. Then in the control panel you can see the administrative tools. Click on it. After clicking on administrative tool, you can find computer management system here. So double click on it. So now the new window appears. So in the storage you can see disk management. Click on it and now I can see all the disk of my device with its total storage. For example, here is local disk C. So I have told you that I will partition the local disk E. So click on it and we have to right click and click on the option shrink volume. So now here you can see the new window appears. It says that total size before shrink in MB. So this is the storage of the E drive in MB and size of available shrink space in MB. So now I have to specify the amount of space to shrink in MB. For example, I want to make it of 3000 MB. So I will put 3000 and click on shrink. So it will take some time and now I can see 2.93 GB allocated, that is 3000 MB equals to 2.93 GB. So right click on it, new simple volume, click on next. So the minimum disk space in MB is 8 and the simple volume size in MB is 2999. Okay, click on it. So you can name the local disk. So I will name it T and click on next and click on next, finish. So now you have successfully created the local disk T. So you can see, let's go back and check it. So you can see I have successfully created the local disk T.